अब हम लोग अपने बच्चों के कार्यक्रम की तरफ बढ़ेंगे और महिलाओं के कार्यक्रम की तरफ बढ़ेंगे।
संविधान का है तू ही शिल्पकार, तू ही शिल्पकार, तू ही शिल्पकार। तूने ही सिखाया है समानता का सार, समानता का सार, समानता का सार। राष्ट्र संविधान का है तू ही शिल्पकार, तूने ही सिखाया है समानता का सार। अपनी कलम से की है देश अर्चना, एक एक शब्द तेरा भीम गर्जना। साहिब मेरे साहिब मेरे भीमराव, साहिब मेरे भीमराव, साहिब मेरे भीमराव, साहिब मेरे भीमराव, साहिब मेरे संकट में आया तू बन के सहारा, बन के सहारा, बन के सहारा। तेरी मशाल ने दिखाया किनारा, दिखाया किनारा, दिखाया किनारा। संकट में आया तू बन के सहारा, तेरी मशाल ने दिखाया किनारा। तेरी व्यवस्थाओं से खिला चमन, कोटि कोटि भीमराय तुझको नमन। साहिब मेरे साहिब मेरे भीमराव, साहिब मेरे भीमराव, साहिब मेरे भीमराव, साहिब मेरे भीमराव, साहिब मेरे भीमराव।
My name is Jaspreet Singh and my mother name is Dr. Deepika Singh. Today I will tell you the life introduction of Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha was born at Lumbini in the North Hills of India. His father was the ruler of tribe known as Sakyas. He was named Siddhartha. At the time of his birth, the Pandits predicate that either he would be a brave king or a sant. So his father was very careful to look after him. All kinds of luxury and comforts of life were provided to him. He was very kind to the animals and birds from his childhood. As he had very soft heart, he married to a pretty princess named Yashodhara. They had a lovely son named Rahul. In the spite of all comforts, he was not happy at heart. He visited city many times to see the life of common man. The sight of sick man, an old man, and a dead body shocked him. Once he saw a sannyasi who had given everything and was in search of God. Thank you. Jai Bhim, Namo Buddhaya.
नाचूं शर्माए दिल मेरा, कैसे समझो उड़ गया होश सारा, छड़ छड़ रे ढोल पे नशा, बिगड़ा जाए जरा जरा दिल मेरा, खुल के नाचूं शर्माए दिल मेरा, कैसे समझो उड़ गया होश सारा, छड़ छड़ रे ढोल पे नशा। ढोलीड़ा धम धम धमक बजे, ढोलीड़ा धम धम धमक बजे, ढोलीड़ा धम धम धमक बजे, नच नच रे ढोल पे हवा। ए माड़ी माड़ी गब्बर माड़ी, आरा सुरमा अंगा विराजे, आवा गणनाडू गजमाड़ी, महाकाली धरा डंका वागे।
Good evening, respected elders and my dear fellows. Today, I stand privileged to share my views on the character of father of our respected constitution, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was not only a prominent Indian journalist, but also a political leader who headed community drafting the Constitution of India. After graduating from Alfiston College, University of Bombay, he studied economics at the Columbia University and the London School of Economics. He received doctorates there in 1923 and 1927 respectively. His later life was marked by his political activities, campaigning and negotiating for the partition, advocating political rights and social freedom for Dalits. In 1956, he converted to Buddhism, initiating mass conversion of Dalits. In 1955, he founded the Bharatiya Bodh Mahasabha respectively. In 1990, he was awarded the highest Indian civilian award, the Bharat Ratna, posthumously. His book, The Buddha and its Dhamma, was also published posthumously. Dr. Ambedkar's legacy and social political reformer had a deep effect on the modern India. His initiatives have influenced various spheres of life, transformed the way of India looks at socio-economic and policies and education also. Many public institutions have been honored in his name. At last, I would like to terminate my speech by delivering a few words said by him. Equality may be fiction, but nonetheless, one must accept it as a governing principle. Thank you. Jai Bhim. Namo Buddhaya.
I am Anshika and I am here in front of you to present a small poem that I wrote for Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar ji. The great Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar ji, whose contribution is too large that we can't be thankful of it in our entire lives, or maybe not any of our lives. So please enjoy the poem. And I want to say that I wrote it on my own, so please enjoy it. भूल गया है समाज, क्यों करना है उनका सम्मान, छूत अछूत की लड़ाई का दिया था उन्होंने पैगाम, पढ़ लिख कर भी ना किया उन्होंने अभिमान, वापस लौटे लंदन से करने वो नेक काम। भूल गया है समाज, रास्ते में आई विपत्तियां तमाम, वे अनेक थे पर वो एक थे, फिर भी लड़े वो सीना तान। लोगों के अधिकार हेतु किया संविधान निर्माण, वो ना होते तो हम ना होते, ना होता अपना जहान। थैंक यू सो मच।